The D2L email tool is very important and you will likely use it frequently. There are more than one way to access your email. You can click on email in the course nav bar, or if you prefer, you can access it through this little envelope at the top. This is also where you'll access your pager as well. To send an email, you can compose, and this is the best option if you know the name of the person you're sending your email to. You just start typing their name in at the top, and then it should show up and you can click on their name to fill it out. You always want to include a subject when you send an email. The other thing you always want to include is a salutation. Next, you want to include the body of your email. And when you're done, you always want to sign off with something. When you're done typing your email, you can send it by clicking the send button up here at the top. Another way to access somebody who you would like to email is through looking at your class list. If you click on your class list, you can scroll through and select the name of the person that you want to email, such as a group member for an assignment. Once you click on their name and check off the box, you can click email up here at the top. It will take you to a page where their name will automatically be provided. If you were to email multiple people at one time, all of their email address would show up in this box. Again, you want to include your subject, and then you could continue to write your email and send it when you are done. When you have an email, a little red dot will show up on here. If you are interested in using the pager feature, you can use that as well. This is better for sending short messages or for having ongoing conversations with someone who might be online. Again, you can access whoever you want to send a message to by clicking on the class list. You can simply click on their name and click here if you want to send them a message. This little box down here is where you would type your message, and when you're done, you can click send. These are just some of the ways that you can contact your teacher and your peers on D2L, and I hope that you use this function frequently.